Hello, friends. I am Cocomong, living in the refrigerator world, Cutie Land. Where am I? Of course, I am in the Cutie Land. Where is it? Well, if you wait for a second, a group of ice fish will show up. Follow them, okay? Hey, it's the ice fish. Look carefully.
Wow, it's so cool! One handsome guy has just arrived.
What? Handsome guy? Yeah, right. Maybe a handsome pig. Well, you really look funny.
Oh yeah? You have small eyes and you look funnier than I do.
Small eyes? Well, still, I am better looking than you. You have freckles all over your face and you have such big eyes.
Open up your eyes and talk.
My eyes are open, you pig. You
can't even see.
Oh, it stinks.
Hey, you shouldn't fart in here.
Well, what just happened? Huh? Look over there.
What is it?
What is it? Oh, what's that?
Something is appearing.
I think something great will come out.
Wow! Whoa, what happened? I became a donkey! Wow! Wow, this is great!
He's a donkey.
He's a donkey.
Oh, something else is appearing. Whoa.
What's happening? I became an alligator. Wow. Do you think we came out like that?
Look at my tail! It looks great! Oh, wow!
Huh? What happened? I became a hippo. What's this on my head? What's happening? I saw it! That cold air fish surrounded you and you changed.
Huh?
All right!
Should we follow them?
Yeah!
Wow!
Should we follow them?
Yes, let's follow them.
I'm flying!
Let's go together.
I'm moving!
Oh, top's closed.
We're moving!
Wow. Oh, hey, look at that. That house looks like an egg. Oh. Wow, this is really nice. Who made this? These cookies are well baked. Huh? Oh, no. Oops. Oh, what should I do? Oh.
Let me see. Carrots can grow really well over here. Woohoo!
Oh my God, that was so much fun! Oh my God, guys, this is really fun! Let's go do it again! Let's do it! Hey, come on, let's do it one more time! One more time! Let's do it! Come on, let's
Hey,
go!
wait, you're messing up the flowers.
Oh, what's all this noise? Huh?
Wait, you're messing the flowers up. Careful. Come back here. No, wait. Come back.
Stop!
Wow, it's an egg rabbit.
Oh, what should I do about my flowers? Hey, you! What are you doing? Oh, no. Who are you guys? Hey, I really like you guys. You made the famous Aromi cry. Hey, get down here.
Huh? It's a sausage.
You can be my followers. Here's a present for you.
Oh.
Ha! Hey, when did you get here?
We just got here. Who are you?
I am the smartest person in Cutie Land. I am called Sir Cocomong. I can climb trees, I can do somersaults, and I know everything.
Cocomong, that's a funny name.
What is this place?
Oh, this is Cutie Land, made out of cold air. Well, there are many cool places over the hill. Oh, do you want to go? Wait, what are you going to do about my flowers? Those flowers don't even taste good. Well, why are you bothering us about that? Instead of those silly flowers, you should plant these delicious bananas. What do you know about flowers? Oh, I know very well. They taste worse than ice bananas. Hey guys, follow me. Come on.
I'm really sorry. Here you go. Hey guys, wait for me. Hey, where are you going?
We can't just leave. I'm sorry that we messed up your flower garden. I will help you, and I think your flowers are beautiful, you know.
Really?
They're the most beautiful flowers I've ever seen.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
I'm gonna help her too.
Yeah! Hey guys, come on, let's go! What? Oh, all right. Oh, I'm not so busy today, so I'll help her.
We're all finished. What do you think, Aromi?
Well, it's not the same, but this is good too. We did it because I, the greatest Cocomong, helped you. Thank you for helping me.
Oh no, we were sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry too.
Me too. I'll bake some delicious cookies for you later.
I'm sorry. It's okay. You're not thankful for me? Thank you, Cocomong. Of course. Hey guys, since you helped me organize my garden, I'll show you around. Should we go to the playground?
The playground? That would be so cool.
Hey, not there. The cloud fishing place is much better. There are lots of fish, ice fish over there. What are you talking about? You don't know how fun it is to play at the playground. No, ice fishing is more fun. Playground. Cloud fishing place. Playground. Cloud fishing place. Playground. Cloud fishing place. I said playground. Cloud fishing place. Playground. Cloud fishing place. Oh, how come you're so stubborn? Can't you just let it go? Anyway, I like it when more friends come. I have been a little bored with Aromi, my new friends. Let's have some fun playing from now on. Hello, hello, Cocomong. Hello, hello, Cocomong. Let's sing, let's dance together. Wow, it's gonna be so much fun!